Hello, this is Casey and I'm gonna teach you some basic guitar lessons. I'm not really professional at this yet. Okay, so we will start. So the basic of the guitar is this one is the index, the middle, the ring, then the pinky, and the thumb. And the open string means you strum it, and the dead string is you don't strum it. Okay, so let's get started. So here's the A. Did you see it? Sorry. So this is the A. So we're gonna strum it. This guitar is different from the advanced one. So this is the local. So so this is the A. I'm a beginner. So this is the A. Did you see it? So this is the A. It's not tuned. So let's move on to the D. The D is little more harder. Did you see it? This is the D. Then here is what the sound looks like. So that is the D. Let's get moving with the E. So the E is much easier, but I prefer that A or the E minor is more easier. The most easier chord on the whole guitar chords. So here is the E. So this is the sound of the E. Is it? Maybe not. So it may be or maybe not, but that's the E. So we're moving on to the E minor. Like what I said on the other minute, the E minor is the easiest chord among all the guitar chords. So here's what the E minor looks like. So I'm gonna strum it. So that's the sound of the E minor. So I forgot. The A the A chord has one dead string on the top. Here is a dead string. So and next the D has two dead strings here too. So and the E has no dead strings and the A minor and then did I tell G? No, right? So we're moving on to J. So the G has no dead strings also, the same with the E and E minor. So let's get roll into G. So G looks like this. It's much harder. So this is what the G looks like. So I'm gonna play the G. So the sound of the G probably in other guitars, if they are tuned correctly, It's different from the local guitar that is not G. So that's the G. Lower section, lower strings only. So A minor has one good string like C, so that's what it looks like. So A minor here. So we're gonna strum the A minor. So what the A minor looks like. So next is we're moving on to D minor. So D minor is has studded strings alike with the D. So so this is what the D minor looks like here and here. So this is what the D minor looks like. So we're gonna strum it. So that's what a D minor sounds like. So we're moving on, and then I'll catch up on what do you call this? New video on the next few minutes, or maybe today. So what do you think? Today, or the next few minutes, or the next few minutes, or today? Okay, today only. Okay. Oh, sorry. So so um, to A to D. Okay. Just tomorrow I need to practice. Bye.